What's up YouTube, it's your girl Miss Amber Gold. I'm back with another video. This is part 2 of the trilogy for Melly Boop Cosmetics. Let's jump right into it. First, I'm gonna shape up my eyebrows right quick. For my eyes, I'm going to be using, why is it upside down? For my eyes, I'm going to be using this palette right here, Fearless Heart palette, and it has all of these beautiful colors. I'm going to be using Lion-Hearted, Loving Heart, and No Fear. And these are like the green and blue shades. Okay, so first I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyes with some Rich Caramel from Black Opal, as well as Nutmeg from Black Opal. Now moving on to the shadow. First I'm going to be using Lion-Hearted right here, the green one. So next, I'm going to do Loving Heart, the blue one. Okay, so you have something kind of like this, blue-green. Well, you don't want to do that because this looks a hot mess, and I'm going to use No Fear. It's like this other greenish color right here, and I'm just going to blend the two together with No Fear. That's funny. So all you're doing is just dragging it down, and you want like a gradient effect. I am so pissed off at one of my friends because this was brand new, and the day I wore this makeup look, I just bought it the night before. And I think this was like $6 or something, I don't know, but I was so mad. Like, look what he did. But anyway, I'm gonna try and use this too. Oh, this is a precise one, if you could see. I was mad when I was doing my eyeliner right here because I knew I messed up and I was trying to go back and fix it, but it was messing up even more. You see that? That's the shape I was going for. That looks a hot mess. It's gonna do. Now I'm gonna take one of the colors from the nudes palette of Maybelline. I'm probably gonna do Let's do this color right here. Brush like this, a tiny one. Now these eyelashes are like really wispy. You can kind of see, and that's not a bad thing. Like, I really like wispy eyelashes, so I really love these ones, these alter ego ones. Okay, so I have my eyelashes on. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my mascara. I'm gonna do my foundation. I'm gonna start off with Nutmeg and Rich Caramel from Black Opal. I'm gonna lay down these edges. So I'm going to go in with these two colors as my concealer. It's from Maybelline. It's one in the medium, which is a 25, and I got a dark one, which is the 55. And I'm setting it with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist set. Also, I do use Black Radiance Long Lasting Setting Spray. It's just kind of running out, so. So now I'm going to take some of the eye topper. I'm taking this green eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna make my eyelashes even bolder with these mascaras at the end. I'm also gonna take some of this finishing powder by e.l.f. Then I'm using Velvet Matte by Victoria's Secret. I'm taking, of course, my all-time favorite highlighter in the color Sunlight by L'Oreal. I hope that you like this look. Shout out to Melly Boop Cosmetics for sending me these beautiful lashes. Again, this is the style Alter Ego. Be sure to follow her on Instagram at mellyboopcosmetics_. I will also attach her website down below, so be sure to check it out. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, loves.